Good evening, I'm Omar Villafranca. Tonight, the historic Senate trial of President Trump begins in less than 48 hours. House managers who will prosecute the case against the president met on Capitol Hill today to work on strategy. Senators are getting ready for what could be a grueling few weeks, listening to hours of testimony with no questions allowed. Ben Tracy starts us off from the White House.
We'll be sitting there in our chairs probably on the order of 6 hours a day.
Senators are now preparing to be jurors, deciding in just weeks whether or not President Trump remains in office. Republicans don't have enough votes for a quick dismissal, but they are confident the president will be acquitted. They hope in as little as 2 weeks.
He is very much comfortable with the idea this is going to turn out well for him.
President Trump's formal response to the impeachment summons was a short 6 pages, filled with contempt, calling this a brazen and unlawful attempt to overturn the results of the 2016 election, and dismissing the articles of impeachment as constitutionally invalid on their face. The House impeachment manager's 111-page trial memo called President Trump's conduct the framers' worst nightmare.
Any jury would convict in 3 minutes flat that the president betrayed his country.
House managers met behind closed doors today to plot strategy and are hoping to persuade at least 4 Republicans to vote with them to allow witnesses in the trial, something Senator Mitch McConnell has opposed.
If Senator McConnell prevails and there are no witnesses, it will be the first impeachment trial in history that goes to conclusion without witnesses.
Well, thank you so much.
Keep up the great work, President.
The president spent the weekend at his club in Florida, where he appeared to be in good spirits. His legal team, which now includes former Clinton special prosecutor Ken Starr and constitutional law professor Alan Dershowitz, plans to argue the president did not break any laws in withholding aid from Ukraine, and that he was within his constitutional rights to refuse Congress's demands for documents and witnesses.
This trial should result in an acquittal, regardless of whether the conduct is regarded as okay by you or by me or by voters.
Now, the president's attorneys are expected to file a more detailed trial brief tomorrow, laying out their legal arguments. Now, when this trial does begin on Tuesday, the president will actually be out of the country. He's going to be at the World Economic Forum in Switzerland, but it's a quick trip. He'll be back here by Wednesday evening. Omar?
Ben, thanks.